根据统计，这用一解冻单稀释的饮料杯仔，全世界单年是蛋超过20个亿个，造成环境污染。这单买目前都有一个循环费计划，消费者买咖啡的时，爱先纳杯咖啡杯仔的钱，啉了甲杯仔倒入去回收桶，就会当甲杯仔的钱退给消费者。希望会当鼓励重复使用，减少对环境的伤害。
这个杯底拿清气香的杯仔，就是一直影响的咖啡外炸杯仔。北欧丹麦第二大城阿尔胡斯当地咖啡店咧做一项外炸咖啡杯仔回收搁利用计划。那顾客选择用咖啡外炸杯仔，先付5丹麦克人，合台币23块。饮料将外炸杯仔倒入市区内底回收箱，透过手机支付，就用将23块退给人去。
Hopefully, we are removing loads of cups from the nature and thereby helping the environment.
阿尔胡斯有33000个居民，也是目前全球第一个做咖啡杯仔回收计划都市。目前市中心有25个安尼咖啡杯仔回收退钱的机器。
And basically, what you do, you drink your coffee, you take your smartphone or your credit card, you do like this. It checks if the system is working. And then you just put the cup in. And just like that, you get £5 transferred to your bank account.
I'm very excited that they got it started and that Aarhus started it out. I think it's very important that we do circular things, reuse things.
丹麦阿尔胡斯这项咖啡外炸杯仔回收计划要进行3年的推广期，用资源加入制，已经有超过40间咖啡业者资源签约加入，希望为环保出一份力。
All of us, we want to have some kind of impact on the amount of trash that's lying around, and especially us coffee shops. You know, we're guilty, and we walking down the street, I do see like some of our cups lying around. I see other coffee. To-go cups lying around.
这样回收的咖啡杯仔经过收集整理了后，对进入专业的回收清洁公司进行详细清洁消毒，同时也检查杯仔是不是有破气，是不是应继续回收使用。根据环保组织的统计，全球每年爱撇掉超过25亿个外炸咖啡杯仔，平均每分钟到5000个外炸杯仔正做分数。这外炸杯仔材质平均要500年才完全分解，在分解进程就已经对环境造成污染。目前已经有4万个应回收的外炸咖啡杯仔在阿尔胡斯市面上在流通。那推广的成效真好，未来包含披萨做阿爸拢应纳入回收的范围。公司新闻警员庆编辑。